Hello everybody, welcome back to as well. We have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change country on Roblox. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do first, gonna go ahead access your Roblox app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, this a kind of interface gonna pop up. Right afterwards, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this three dot icon given below right corner. Now go ahead, tap on this settings icon given just right over here, and you're gonna go ahead, tap on this account info given on top. Simply go ahead, tap on that option. And here in this section, this kind of interface is gonna pop up, right? So for you to change your country recording, you can actually change your language country preference. For that matter, you can go ahead, tap on this language section and tap on this drop menu icon beside it. Once you have done so, you can say this kind of a various country option will pop up. If you would like to change it, like let's say it's not in your correct language according to your region or country, you can change it by just tapping, choosing on to that option. That is the way for you to do it, and there is no exact other way for you to change directly country. You can install a VPN for you and change your region for that particular hours, and you can change your country or region here on Roblox. That is the only way. Otherwise, this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.